What if every song hit differently in your living room? Your current setup is robbing you of true audio immersion. If you aren't hearing every crisp high and deep bass note, you're missing the performance entirely. Today, we're talking about the Eureka Blaze, a power-packed solution that keeps your space pristine so your audio equipment can actually breathe. First, that powerful suction keeps your hard floors immaculate, preventing dust interference around your speakers. Second, the 3-in-1 design is an absolute masterpiece of convenience, letting you reach every corner where sound waves bounce. Third, it's ultra-lightweight, meaning you can clean around your delicate floor-standing speakers without fear of bumping them. Maintaining a clean environment is the secret to peak acoustic performance. You want that crystal-clear soundstage, you need to keep your gear area spotless. Stop letting dust kill your vibe. Grab the Eureka Blaze right now using the link below and elevate your home audio environment today. Don't wait, your sound system deserves a clean stage to perform on. Let's get that audio setup glowing.